Modi, I want to bring you into this, when,
Why?
especially with why? So we have younger, very skilled reo speakers. I mean, we're doing awesome in terms of the statistics, but they want to, you know, be a kai kōrero straight away on the marae, for example. Do you think that's happening within Ranginui, and how do we approach that?
Me haere ngātahi.
Me haere ngā
I think there's still a role for our old people,
Kia ora.
but to be the mentors that they need to be.
Yes.
And I say that they need to be those mentors. And it's more about ensuring that while we have the other generations, the younger generations, waiting in the wings, there's still some learning that they can adhere to and learn from our people that are still alive. In the same token, it's almost like we can't be egocentric about it, simply because there are kawa that need to be maintained on our marae. And if, for an example, some of our old people aren't able to make it, and you and I both know that, you know, with the availability of our kaumātua, we have to allow our young ones the opportunities in which to occupy those spaces. And I think learnings fold into one another.